Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a rehydration facial, and you're probably wondering what that means. It means that we're going to purify our skin and add nutrients and moisturization and hydration back into our skin to give it some life today. Also, this is the facial that I used while I was recovering from my wisdom tooth removal, so I really wanted to share with all of you the facial that I created on my own. I have my headband on. It's a little bit dirty, but it's okay. I'm going to wash it soon enough. I have my head fully secured. Super excited to do my facial. First step before any kind of cleansing is the pre-cleanse. I like to do a pre-cleanse because it gets everything loosened up, and it also takes away any kind of excess makeup you might have left over from wiping with a makeup cloth or a wipe. So this is an effective way to get off the extra makeup that's left on your skin. The one that I really love the most is the Bliss Makeup Melt, obviously because I need more of it. It's a wet jelly cleanser and it goes on super well, and a little bit goes a long way. Comes out with a little dot. And it smells just like the Dermalogica pre-cleanse, and that one is awesome, but it's very pricey. The full-size bottle of the Bliss product is, I believe, $10 compared to, what was it, $40? Very big price gap for a product that does the same. And I'm just massaging it over my skin, and you just do that, work it in, and keep going over everything. You can wet your hands if you want to, if you're in the bathroom with your sink or shower. Just gently glide over your face, making sure everything's all loosened up and you're getting everything, even your décolleté right here. And it smells amazing, so take in the smell if you can, just a little bit, working it in. And then you just rinse it off in the shower or at the sink, and then you're done. And that should get off all the extra residue that you have on your skin. This is a very great product. Highly recommend that one. I cleaned off all of the Bliss Makeup Melt. I'm moving on to cleanser, and this is an acne fighting cleanser from Clean and Clear, and it's a lemon gel cleanser. Very awesome and amazing product. Not even lying, this is my go-to product. I actually used all the bottle from the last video I've done. If you want to see that Clean and Clear lemon review, I will put the link in the description down below. I had to get another bottle of this stuff. It really does fight acne and all my breakouts. It adds hydration. Lemons are actually great for hydration and for cleaning off acne and dead skin because lemons are acidic, and acidity helps with getting rid of just dirt and oil and debris. I really like this one a lot, and a little bit goes a long way. A few pumps, maybe 3, is all you need. Gel based clear cleanser, a little bit yellow, for the most part clear, and it smells so fantastic. Like lemons. Like, it doesn't smell like fake lemons, it smells like real lemons. And we're just moving it around. I have my own little water bottle right here, so add some water, emulsify, making sure we get everything clean. Nice, even lather. If you want to, you can leave it on your face for a minute or two, just to reap the benefits of everything soaking into your skin, because we're all about hydration right now. We want to cleanse our skin so we have a nice great canvas for what we're going to put onto our skin later. Using a proper cleanser will definitely help with the hydration process. Trust me. Proper skincare is everything. Once you know your skin, there's no going wrong, pretty much. Getting it in there. And you can just cleanse this off in the shower or at the sink. Really get in there. I have a lot of dead skin and everything, so I really need a good hydration facial today. Work all that cleanser in. I'll be right back. I'm going to go and clean all of this off, and I will be back with the scrub part of the facial. My face is brighter and more rejuvenated. Now I have a clean, fresh canvas to work with these scrubs and the other products I'm going to show you today. Right now, I'm going to use the scrub that I use. I don't have a lot left of it. As you can tell, I use it a lot, and I'll tell you why. It has coconuts and coffee, and coconuts actually adds hydration to your skin. It's very good for your skin, very soothing, has great wonderful properties, just all around hydration. Coffee helps stimulate your circulatory system, stimulating production in your skin, circulating all that blood flow in your face, which is promoting hydration, moisturization, getting rid of all the impurities out of your skin. Coffee is a major beneficial product, and this one is a deep exfoliator. Scrub in particular is from St. Ives. It's a very good trusted brand. It has 100% natural ingredients in exfoliators. I think I have just enough scrub for this video pretty much. Deep cleanses, and it's just all around wonderful. It's great for rejuvenating yourself in the morning. That's how it comes out, and there's like very fine coconut and coffee grains in the product. A little bit does go a long way, but sometimes I like to overdo it sometimes. Take it and emulsify it in your hand. You can add a little bit of water if you want to, and just let the coffee and coconut take you away with their wonderful smells and benefits. This one is great for in the morning, rejuvenation, hydration. Obviously the day is going, so you want that to happen. Great coffee lifts up your spirits in your day. Just all around refreshing. Have a cup of coffee, just have a great wonderful day. Put a little water in my hand from my facial water bottle here. Work everything in. Make sure you get every single nook and cranny. It's going to cleanse your face so nice. Everything is going to be all gone. All the nasty ickiness will just be all gone. Make sure you really get in there. Avoid your eye area, but get as much of your face as possible. Be careful. After you do enough facials, you will know the shape of your face. Trust me, I've done so many facials in the past when I was an SD. You have no idea. But I love doing facials and skincare, so that's why I like doing so many. I love sharing all of my facials with all of you, and if I find out new facials, I like to share them with you as well. So I learn and you can learn together what's new, hip, and now, or just something beneficial for your skin. Taking care of yourself is very important. Now that we have a very exfoliated face, you can go into the shower. Don't use water that's too hot. Use lukewarm water. You don't want to damage your capillaries under your eyes and on your face, so that's a thing to look out for. And make sure that you gently exfoliate in circles while you're in the shower, so you get rid of all the excess scrub off of your face and everything gets cleansed out properly. Now to one of the very most important parts of any facial you will have. It's the mask. This one is from e.l.f. and it's the Beauty Shield Magnetic Mask. It's detoxifying while adding moisture to your skin. It has a great creamy texture, and it goes on really great, and it glides off very nice, and it has a very nice surprise when you're taking it off, so you'll see very quickly. I did a review of this mask, a full review. I will link that as well down below in case you want to check that one out for yourself. Very good. Antioxidants are great for your skin, adding hydration, anti-pollutant properties. Very great, and it's very detoxifying as well, and very nice. This one is very high quality. Can't seem to find my spatula anywhere, so I'm just going to dive on in and show you. It's a very dark clay mask. It's like clay, but it's so silky smooth. Very great texture. You want to rub that all over if you want to on your décolleté, but I don't have that much of the mask right now. It smells like mechanic hand soap, that orange bottle that mechanics use, and they use that for scrubbing off oil from their hands. That's what it basically smells like. It's not too much of a pleasant scent. It has a very different scent to it. I'm just gonna say that. I don't hate it, but I'm not totally loving it as well. And it's very tingly. I feel so much sensation on my face already, right in here and in the cheek area. That's where I'm feeling the most activity right now. And you don't have to wash it off, which is very fantastic. You are left with a very nice moisturizing layer of product on your face. Not too greasy, but enough just to hydrate, which is what we need for this facial. Moisturization and hydration, all key components of this facial right here. We want to cleanse, clean, but also bring in the nutrients and moisture into our skin to revitalize everything. I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes and then come right back to you. I'm going to show you how we take this off, which is super fun and fantastic. Just wait and see. I'm about to show you something really cool about this mask. If you haven't seen my other video reviewing the mask, go check that one out. You'll see why. If you've seen that video, you'll know why this mask is freaking awesome and cool. You take a little cover like this, just one cover does the trick, and you have this special wand, and you place the cover right over top of the wand here, like so. Sometimes it's a little tricky, but let's see what happens. Look at that magic. Look at that. Isn't that cool or what? You don't have to go hard on your skin at all. It just comes right off. Nose area is kind of tricky though, I have to admit. You can feel it sometimes tingly. It feels like a little bit of like static. Isn't this so fun and cool? I really like this. This is so fun. That's why I have like not that much left of it. It's just so simple and easy to use, and it just glides right off. You don't have to clean up any mess or anything. You can take a washcloth that's dry and maybe pat some of the excess product from the mask off, but overall you don't have to really clean up any mess. Cleanup is a breeze with this. Just, it feels very funny on your lip. And look at that, it looks so weird. It looks like a porcupine. Look at that, oh my god. That is so weird how it just comes right off. You just take off the little wrapper and throw it in the garbage, and you're left with nice, clean, moisturized skin. It feels like porcelain. Your skin feels so rejuvenated and like just so fresh. It's time for toning. My go-to toner is the Yesto Grapefruit Toning Mist. Grapefruit is great for hydration, and it's very citrusy, so it gives you a nice antioxidant boost. I'm just going to spray the mist with my eyes closed a few times, being fresh and rejuvenated. Patting it into your skin, you can feel the rejuvenation taking place. Like it's just soaking everything up, like just going in and quenching the thirst of your skin. It feels fantastic. You can just feel it absorbing into your skin. I'm going to go in with the Bliss Drench and Quench Moisturizer. Very lovely scent, very small bottle, but they also have bigger size bottles that are amazing. Feels so fresh. Smells like clean laundry. It's amazing if you love clean laundry. That fresh, nice smell. A little bit goes a long way dipping in. This will quench the thirst of your skin, leaving it so soft and supple and moisturized. Going in with upward motions like they do at the spa, giving yourself a nice treatment. If you want to add some nice hydrating eye moisturizer, you can. That's always welcome. A little bit extra doesn't hurt anyone. As long as it's hydrating and you love that product, go for it. Just doing your neck and a little bit of your décolleté right here. Just making sure everything is quenched and it feels so good. Breathe in a little bit of the smell. This is my very own facial that I use. You don't have to do it exactly like mine. Everything is pretty simple and interchangeable. If one thing is causing you a problem, you can switch out products. So super easy and simple. I hope this video helped you in some way. I really do. Skincare is very important, and I hope that this inspired you to go out and discover your own skin type and take care of yourself as well. Thank you so much for watching my rehydration facial. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. And while you're here, please don't forget to subscribe with notifications on. Don't forget to press that bell. And you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, so please be on the lookout for those uploads. And before I forget to mention, I'm an ambassador for Liv Beauty Box, so go check out my referral link down below in the description and save 10% off your very own box using the code LIV10 at checkout. Go down there and check it out for yourself. Liv Beauty is amazing, and I'm so proud to be affiliated with them. Check out all the links down below if you're interested. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.